Ever typed perfect English in Word, but the spell checker keeps underlining everything in red? That's not your spelling, it's your proofing language. Proofing language is the language Word uses to spell and grammar check your text. So if it's set wrong, correct words get flagged and real errors slip through. Look at the bottom of the screen. That status bar shows the proofing language for wherever your cursor is. Let's start small. Say only one paragraph is wrong. Select the text you want to fix. Go to the Review tab. Click Language, then Set Proofing Language. In this box, pick the correct language. We'll choose English, United States. Make sure this box, Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar, is unchecked. If it's ticked, Word ignores that text completely. Click OK, and the false errors are gone. Now let's fix everything at once. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire document and go back to Review, Language, and Set Proofing Language. Here, choose your language as previously and just click OK. And you're already done. So this is an extremely easy solution to a very annoying problem. Here's the setting that causes most of this trouble. This one. Detect language automatically. When it's on, Word guesses the language as you type, and it often guesses wrong. Keep it turned off, and Word will stay in the language you choose. To prevent issues in future documents, one option can be very useful. Pick your language as usual, then click Set as Default at the bottom. Confirm. Now every new document starts in the right language. And finally, a quick tip for you is to click the language displayed on the bottom status bar. It takes you to the proofing language settings. Of course, these manual methods are great, but on a long document with mixed languages buried in different paragraphs, they get slow, and you can easily miss spots. Not to worry, there's a faster way. Let's open the OnStyle add-in from the Word ribbon. OnStyle is a Word add-in that handles formatting and document cleanup tasks that native Word makes tedious. Currently, there are 150 checks in this add-in, but now we only need one. This is a starter toolbar that has far fewer functions than it would if we had assigned a so-called doc config. However, we will not deal with doc configuration and related topics today. Just find the Content dropdown and go to Inspection Group Modules. These are individual checks within the Content category. Now click the Language Issue check. Then it will pop up on the right along with all the issues in the document. We can click through the individual issue instances and fix them manually, but if we click the small arrow to the right of the check, we can run an autofix. Currently, it sets the proofing language to English, but it can be configured to another language as well. That's it. Simple and easy. Save time when authoring documents with OnStyle's 150 auto checks and fixes. Visit OnStyle's website and try it for free now.